How to get Kindle Unlimited. Now, getting the Kindle Unlimited subscription is a fairly simple task. There are two ways. One is you can subscribe from the Kindle itself, the other is you can subscribe from your phone. Both of the ways are very simple. Now, on your Kindle, whenever you're on the home screen, on your library page or whatever, you can keep scrolling down and you'll find one of the options to try unlimited reading and listening. So, when you tap the Learn More button, it will take you to this particular page, which is your Kindle store over here, and it will prompt you to simply get the unlimited for 30-day free trial. So you can see 30 days free trial and renews at $11.99 a month, and then you can tap the join button from the bottom to get on about this, and from there you'll be able to fill in your payment methods. This is the way from the Kindle. From your smartphone, you just want to actually just open up your browser, and when you open up your browser, just type in Kindle Unlimited and you'll find this link, sign up to Kindle Unlimited for a free trial. And when you do that, you can just tap on it, and obviously making sure you're logged into the correct Amazon account, you can simply start your free trial and tap the join option from the bottom and follow up with your payment methods and all of those options in this case, and get the Kindle Unlimited in that way. And that way you can go ahead and then get Kindle Unlimited. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.